Okay guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to rotate a matrix to the 90 degree. Like we cannot say it is like flipping, but it actually orient the matrix at 90 degree. So for it we know that first we have to declare a matrix that is 1, 3, 6 and 8. And now press enter and all the values will be stored into the C variable. Then we will apply a command row 90 of C and then press enter. Now you can see that the row vector is converted into the column vector or matrix, but it also flips from that the last element is on the top and then 5 is on the is just below the 8 and then 3 and then 1. So there is also a conversion from row to column and also the flipping of the elements. So hope you got the concept. Thanks for watching.